Here we've got Gyeon Q2 Syncro. Now this is the most chemically advanced coating set available to the general consumer in the Gyeon lineup. So if you're a technical DIY or a professional that's just not into the certified detailer programs, Q2 Syncro is a perfect fit. It's a multi-layer coating system using Q2 Mohs as the 2-layer base coat. Now Mohs is going to take care of the long-term durability, the UV protection, the chemical resistance, and all the protective elements that we really want a ceramic coating to do. Now when we top that with Q2 Skin, we add an element of very unique gloss, but most importantly, repellency and slickness. Now when we apply these long-term coatings to paint, we don't want to polish that finish for years to come. So being very careful, very diligent in our wash maintenance to keep wash-induced marring out of the equation is important, and Skin helps you do that. It's a tangible slickness, a tangible water repellency that really shows up in the day-to-day maintenance. Now within this kit, you also get the Q2M Cure maintenance spray to keep the repellency and gloss at its highest, as well as plenty of suede applicators. Now when you're applying Mohs and Skin, change your suede applicators frequently and as needed. This will help in the overall application and removal process and make sure you get the best results out of the kit. So if you're an advanced DIY or a professional business looking for a very capable long-term coating set, Q2 Syncro is it.